Disabling two-factor authentication on your AliExpress account can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off this security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the AliExpress website or open the app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Security or Account Security. Click on it to access your security options. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. There should be an option to disable or turn off this feature. Follow the prompts to confirm your choice. Step 5. Save changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, ensure you save any changes made to your account settings. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that the feature has been successfully turned off. By following these steps, you can easily disable two-factor authentication on your AliExpress account. Always remember to keep your account secure with a strong password.